You manage an autonomous AI agent in Microsoft 365 that operates without a user present. It requires access to Microsoft Graph and needs to retrieve secrets from an Azure Key Vault without any runtime user consent. What mechanism should you configure for each resource? Your options are: Option A, grant a delegated permission. Option B, request a delegated permission. Option C, grant an application permission. Option D, assign a role-based access control, or RBAC role.
When dealing with background services that perform tasks autonomously, we often face a challenge regarding identity and authorization. Since there is no user session, the system must authenticate and authorize the application itself to access resources. Understanding the difference between permissions that rely on a user being present versus permissions that allow a service to function independently is key to configuring secure and functional automated workflows in the cloud environment.
I believe the correct answer involves selecting option C for Microsoft Graph and option D for the Azure Key Vault. When an agent runs without a user, it cannot use delegated permissions because those are designed to act on behalf of a logged-in user. Instead, for Microsoft Graph, we use application permissions, which allow the agent to act as its own identity. This is specifically designed for daemon-style background services that need to perform operations autonomously across the cloud environment.
For the Azure Key Vault, the process differs because it is an Azure resource. Here, we need to assign a role-based access control role directly to the service principal of the agent. By assigning an RBAC role, we provide the agent with the necessary permissions to retrieve secrets without requiring any manual intervention. Both delegated permissions, presented in options A and B, would be ineffective here, as they would stall the agent's operation by prompting for credentials that simply do not exist.